Quickie but a goodie today, we are revisiting an older recipe. In fact, my first ever cupcakes on this channel and bringing them into 2020. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Scran Line. I'm Nick. Today we are going to be making an oldie but a goodie. Today I'm going to be revisiting my cookies and cream cupcakes. Now at the end of the video you can tell me, did you like my first cookies and cream macarons better than these ones or the other way around? Watch till the end of the video and then let me know in the comments down below. So in these cookies and cream cupcakes, we're going to be making my chocolate cupcake recipe. In the original ones, I used vanilla and added Oreos. Today, I'm going to be making chocolate just because I like the way it looks. But don't worry, there's going to be plenty of cookies and cream or Oreos in this cupcake. In fact, there are actually going to be Oreos in the middle of these cupcakes. So we're going to be adding our batter once we've made it into our cupcake liners. Adding an Oreo, more batter, Oreo, batter, Oreo and batter sandwich. We're gonna bake these and let them cool down completely. Then we're gonna make some Oreo buttercream frosting. So to make this, you're gonna add some crushed Oreos to some of my Swiss meringue buttercream frosting. Mix that until it's really well combined. Then you're gonna add that to a piping bag fitted with a medium-sized round tip. We are going to be frosting a double donut swirl on top of all of our cupcakes. And then we are going to be drizzling some chocolate sauce on top. If you want to grab the recipe for my frosting and my chocolate sauce, it's on my website, thescranline.com. Now, I thought it'd be cool and kind of cute to add a swirl of white vanilla buttercream frosting on top. So I've added that frosting to a piping bag fitted with an open star tip. We're going to frost a cute little swirl on top before we add our Oreo on top. And it's kind of similar to the old design, but I think that we've kind of brought it into 2020. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. If there are any cupcake flavors you'd love to see me make on this channel, let me know in the comments down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button because it's the only way that YouTube allows others to enjoy this video as well. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.